Today, we are diving deep into something that is going to change the way you think about life, the 9 laws of karma. I am not just going to throw some old spiritual stuff at you, I am going to show you how these laws, when you truly understand them, can change your life, your mindset, and your actions. Stick around because the last law will flip your whole perspective on living in the present moment. Number one, the great law, cause and effect. Simply, what goes around comes around. If you put good energy into the world, good energy will come back to you. But if you are out there spreading negativity, guess what will come back to you? Yeah, negativity. Think of it as a boomerang. What you send out come back to you. So ask yourself, what kind of energy are you putting out today? Number two, the law of creation. The law of creation tells us that life doesn't just happen to you, but it is created by you. Your actions, your thoughts, and your decisions, they shape your reality. It is like planting a seed and nurturing it. If you want success, peace, or love, you have to actively create it. So, what seeds are you planting today? Number three, the law of humility. The law of humility teaches us that if you are unwilling to accept the reality of where you are, you can't change it. If you want to evolve, you first need to accept the current situation, the mistakes you have made, and the lessons you have learned. Humility opens the door to growth. So, what truth have you been avoiding? Number four, the law of growth. This law teaches us that real change always starts from within. You can't wait for the world around you to change. You have to change yourself. Want better relationships? Be a better person. Want success in life? Level up your skills. Your outer world is just a reflection of your inner world. What is one thing you can improve about yourself today? Number five, the law of responsibility. Listen up. You are responsible for your life, no one else. It is easy to point fingers at others or blame circumstances, but the truth is, every decision you make is shaping your destiny. If you take responsibility for your actions, you reclaim your power. So, how are you taking responsibility of your life? Number six, the law of connection. Everything is connected. The law of connection shows us that our actions, no matter how small, are part of the bigger picture. Even the tiniest choice you make can create a ripple effect that can change the world. Think about it. What action can you take today that will make a positive impact in the future? Number seven, the law of focus. You can't chase two rabbits at once. If you want to manifest your dreams, focus on one thing at a time. Distractions is the enemy of progress. So, what is your primary focus right now? Is it aligned with your biggest goals? Number 8, the law of giving and hospitality. Want to create a positive energy in your life? Start giving. The law of giving tells us that what we give to the universe, whether it is love, time, or kindness, will come back to us multiplied. Practice what you preach and show up with real, genuine intention. What you can give today. Number 9, the law of here and now. This law is a game changer for your life. We often get stuck in the past or obsessed over the future, but the only time you have is now. When you embrace the present, you unlock the full power of the universe. So take a deep breath and ask yourself, are you fully present in your life right now? So, viewers, these 9 laws of karma are more than just spiritual wisdom. They are life principles which, when understood and practiced, can truly transform your reality. Which law resonated with you the most? Drop in the comment section below. And if you found this content valuable and want to watch more videos like this and transform your life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel MindZing.